I don't know, what do I call this? The K games? 3 people out. We have 4 people left. Disqualified. All right. Yeah, what is this? Why are you cheating already, man? Line up, go back. I don't know, what do I call this? The K games? I don't know what to call it. But anyways, we have an S1000RR, Mr. AJ. We have Mr. J-Man with a V4. Mr. G with his fancy Balenciaga and Yeezys and all that, man. You don't need to win this. On his M1000, we have this beautiful wrapped V4, Ducati LA, Mo riding it. We have some slow R1M. I'm just messing with you. Another S1K and an RS V4. The Street Fighter is going to be the control. So I'm going to show you guys what the challenges are through him. And he's going to show you guys what we're going to be doing. The first challenge... Actually, let me show you the gifts first. That's not it. That's just my hoodie. Okay, we have equipment. The main prize. Insta1 X2 360 camera. He already wants it. That's like a $500 camera with a bunch of equipment, and you have extra batteries. There's more. It's just a bunch of like equipment and accessories that you guys can win for. There's only gonna be one winner, and he's gonna win all of this stuff. If you want, of course. So the first challenge. Have you guys watched Squid Games? It's gonna be a red light, green light. That's why you're all lined up. So just so you guys can hear me, he's gonna show you first. I'm gonna stand probably at the end right there. The last 2 people that make it are gonna be disqualified. I'm gonna be facing this way, just so you guys can see and not just hear me. Green light, you go. And then I'm gonna do red light. By the time I turn around, you have to be stopped. If I see you move, then you're out too. I'm gonna give you guys no, the bike has to be stopped. Yeah, if you're like tumbling or something, that's cool. That's fine, as long as the bike is stopped. And if everyone makes it, then the last 2 people are gonna be the ones that are losing. Okay, so that's the first thing. I'm gonna give you guys some time for red light, green light. Demonstrate right now. Are you ready? Green light! Red light! Green light! Red light! Yeah, spread out, be comfortable. Okay, we got the spectators over here. Everyone ready? Green light! Red light! He's out! He's out! Disqualified! The walk of shame. Red light! Yeah! Yeah! Green light! Red light! Green light! Red light! And I'm just gonna give him this one. Green light! I didn't do red light! You're good! You're good! I didn't do red light! The first loser.
Oh my God. I keep stalling it.
Alright, that was the first.
Where's Devin? I thought you talking shit, motherfucker.
Alright. The winners. 4 people won, right? The winners, go line up. I know you. That worked out for you stalling it because you technically were stopped. 7 people, 3 of them already out. Wait, what? Yeah, that's right, math. 3 people out. The new S1000, the R1M, and the V4. We have 4 people left in the second challenge. I am super sorry to do this to you guys. I know this is traumatizing, but it's gonna be a DMV test. So what we're gonna do is, you guys are gonna go around. I think I'm gonna put 6 of them. You're gonna go up, turn around however you want, as long as you pass the last cone. Turn back around and go through them again. The person with, we have 4 people, so the 2 people with the slowest times are out. And the last 2 people are the ones that are gonna be moving to the final round and the winning round. He's gonna demonstrate right now. I don't think you guys need a demonstration, but just to show you. All right, I only put 5, well spaced out. You just gotta go through all of them. If you touch, you're disqualified. Actually, I'll give you guys a break. If you touch, we add 3 seconds. That's another 3 seconds. So feet touch, 3 seconds. If you touch the cones, that's 3 seconds. All right, this is where you start from. As soon as you come back through here, that's when I'm gonna stop the timer. Demonstrate for them first. So just line up. Go. Let's go. 20 seconds.
Nobody going that smooth.
All right. Go back. No cheating. All right. 3, 2, go. Oh. 3 seconds. That's 3 seconds. No. Keep doing it. All right. He's done. Pretty much 3. So yeah, literally we add 1, 6. Yeah. So unless you go, you take more than 40 seconds, you're good. All right. All right. 3, 2, go. Wow, that was actually really smooth. A little slow on the U-turn, but it's okay. Woo! Oh, we stopped it, but it stopped at 18 seconds. All right, 3, 2, go. Oh shit, he's going fast. Fast on the turn. Oh, he's going. Woo! 15 seconds. 15. So you are clear. You're the first one in the last round. You gotta be 18, 19. All right. 3, 2, go. Woo! That was close. Oh, he's too wide. Disqualified. The finales. One of you guys is winning the camera. Let's go. I'm sorry, by the way, that I'm screaming in the helmet, but they gotta hear me too. That's why I have this camera as well. Line up. Hold on a second. I'm out of breath. It's hot in the helmet. For the last challenge, we don't need a control for this one. It's pretty simple. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it before. It's a slow race. You know what that is? You don't know what a slow race is? No, do not gun it. He's trying to win. So this is the start, this is the end. The last person to get there is the winner. So you have to go as slow as you can, but your feet has to stay on the bike. If your foot touches the floor, you're out. That's pretty much it. The winner of this is the winner of the camera and everything else. Are you guys ready? 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 Go! Ah! He's out! He's done! You won! You won! Hell yeah! That's it. We have a winner. He's getting crowned right now. This is for you, sir. This is for you, sir. This is also for you. About $700 to $1,000 of camera and equipment. You won fair and square. Crowned. All right. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and support. Thank you all of you guys for showing up. Now we can hang out, do whatever, probably ride. But this is where the video ends, and I hope everyone enjoyed this. I'm trying to make new, different contents for the channel. I don't think anybody has ever done something like this. More in the future. I am dead. This is my first time hosting it, so next time will be better. I don't know. I'll get more creative and do stuff like that. Maybe similar challenges. We'll see. Please like, subscribe, share, support. A bunch of amazing super bikes, competing, fun, nothing dangerous. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. Later, everyone. Bye. I have no idea what's going on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people on a bike.
Why do we do this in a brand new bike? Why? Why do we go get another piece of shit? Okay, get in. AJ, get in. Come on.
Get in. Let's all get in. Here you go.